Are you ready to claim free crypto before anyone else? Welcome to Coin Drifter. Here, we bring you real opportunities to earn passive income through crypto. If you want to stay ahead in Web3, you are in the right place. In every video, we cover powerful airdrops, free earning tools, and early crypto projects. Support the channel by liking this video. Subscribe to Coin Drifter and turn on the notification bell. Today, we are covering 3 upcoming airdrops expected before August 2025. These projects are gaining serious attention. Which one will you claim first? 1. ZkSync Airdrop 2.0, another big opportunity. ZkSync is a Layer 2 scaling solution built on Ethereum. It uses zero-knowledge rollups to make transactions faster and cheaper. In mid-2024, ZkSync dropped its first airdrop, and many users received tokens worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. But many people missed out, and now the ZkSync team has hinted at a second wave. Do you want a second chance to be rewarded for using a fast-growing Ethereum solution? To prepare for the next ZkSync airdrop, you need to become an active user of the ZkSync Era network. First, bridge some Ethereum to ZkSync using the official bridge. Then use decentralized applications like SyncSwap, Mute, Velocore, and other native dApps. Try swapping tokens, adding liquidity, and exploring the ecosystem. Are you currently using any dApps on ZkSync or just watching from the sidelines? Keep in mind that ZkSync is now filtering out spammy or automated users. The goal is to reward real human activity. So avoid using multiple wallets or doing high-frequency transactions. Instead, use one clean wallet and spread your activity across days or weeks. Can you stay consistent instead of trying to rush the system? Also, if you can participate in governance votes or DAOs on the network, that could help your chances even more. Have you ever voted on a crypto proposal before? 2. EigenLayer, restake and multiply your airdrop chances. EigenLayer is another upcoming airdrop you should not ignore. It allows Ethereum users to restake their staked ETH or liquid staking tokens like STETH, RETH, or CBETH. In return, you support the security of multiple services and increase your exposure to future airdrops. Have you ever heard of restaking as a way to earn more from the same crypto? To get started, go to the official EigenLayer app and connect your wallet. Then, restake any staked ETH tokens you have. If you are holding ETH in a wallet, consider staking it through Lido, Rocket Pool, or Coinbase first, then move it to EigenLayer. Would you be willing to let your ETH work harder while you hold? Projects building on EigenLayer may also offer airdrops to active restakers. This means one action could qualify you for multiple future rewards. This is similar to how early stackers of Lido and Rocket Pool received unexpected tokens during previous bull runs. Do you like the idea of stacking airdrops with one move? The EigenLayer airdrop is expected before August 2025, but no specific date is confirmed. The earlier you start, the better your chances. Have you considered using your ETH to earn passively while farming rewards? 3. LayerZero, cross-chain potential with more rewards ahead. LayerZero is a cross-chain protocol that powers messaging and data transfers across multiple blockchains. The project already launched its ZRO token in mid-2024, but there is strong speculation about a second round of airdrops, especially targeting active users and community members. Did you use any cross-chain bridges in the last few months? To prepare for this potential airdrop, start using LayerZero-powered applications like Stargate Finance, SushiSwap cross-chain features, and Tapioca. These dApps let you move assets between Ethereum, Arbitrum, Optimism, and other networks. Try bridging stablecoins and performing small but regular transactions. Are you doing small regular transactions or just one-time actions? Also, follow updates from LayerZero on social platforms. If staking or governance features are introduced for the ZRO token, get involved early. These could be used as criteria for future airdrop rounds. Would you take 15 minutes this week to qualify for the next big one? Snapshot dates are not public, and once they pass, there is no second chance. Start now while the network is still building momentum. How long will you wait before you take action? General tips to maximize airdrop rewards. If you are serious about earning from airdrops, you need a plan. First, use a clean wallet that is not tied to spam or suspicious activity. Second, document everything. Keep a spreadsheet or tracker to record your interactions, platforms used, and estimated dates. Do you track your activity or just hope to remember everything? So, which of these 3 airdrops are you most excited about? ZkSync, EigenLayer, or LayerZero? Let us know in the comments. We will be posting weekly videos covering the best airdrops, passive income tools, and underrated crypto projects. Your support means everything to this journey. Like the video and turn on the bell so you never miss a high-value crypto update. Do you want to be late to the news or first in line when the rewards drop? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.